Today I am so excited to share the recipe for keto waffles with you. This recipe is amazing. I've always seen waffles recipes with heaps of ingredients. This one has only 4 ingredients. One of them is salt, which is that even an ingredient? So I'm going to share that recipe with you today, and check down below where I'll leave a link to the blog post with the recipe, loads of ideas for yummy toppings ideas and everything that you could want and need to make these easy keto waffles. And make sure if you're not already subscribed to my channel, you subscribe for more yummy inspirations just like this, and leave a like and a comment too. Let me know if you've tried the recipe, what you thought. I look forward to reading your comments. So let's get on and make keto waffles. We start with 4 eggs, and I'm just going to give them a whisk together. And I've got my waffle maker ready to go on the side. Okay, don't have to go too crazy. That will do. And now we're going to add all our other ingredients in. Told you it is that easy. A good generous pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, and a 1/4 cup of cream. Really just any cream you've got in the fridge. With keto we've always got cream or 2, just whichever is easy to pour in, whisk through. That is what you want to use. And then give it another whisk through. Whisk it until it's smooth, and that is perfectly whisked batter. So now I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes. Just with coconut flour, it's very absorbent, so you want to just give it a moment to just make sure that it's absorbed nicely and it's not going to be too thick or too runny a batter. And add a little more cream or a little more coconut flour. It also depends on the moisture in your air when you're cooking, and so many factors with coconut flour, but don't be afraid of it. You can see this batter looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks like a pretty good batter. When you've got that kind of thickish consistency, you are good to go. So I'm going to heat up my waffle maker and get cooking. Okay, my waffle maker has come up to temperature, and my one, just follow the directions of yours. Mine needed to be just greased a little bit. I used my avocado oil spray that I just love. I got from TK Maxx, which I believe is TJ Maxx in America. So I've got my waffle maker open. Let's see if I can get it all in shot for you. Oh, there you go. I've got my waffle maker in shot. Excuse the noise in the background. I'm multitasking and cooking at the same time. Other dishes too, which you can look forward to. So we pop our waffle maker on. First time I made waffles in this waffle maker, I use a little bit less. Now I kind of use almost 3 or so tablespoons per waffle, but again it's going to depend on the size of your waffle maker. I will find a similar one to mine and leave a link to it down below for you on Amazon if you would like to have a look. So I use this, get this with 3 tablespoons per waffle. This gets me 4 waffles, and I tend to have 1. My husband, my kids each have 1, and we all have all kinds of different toppings. And I will leave in the blog post loads of topping ideas. My favorite though is strawberries and cream, and I would like to know what your favorite waffle topping is. Leave a comment and let me know. Okay, there we go. That is pretty much good to go. And so I'll make sure all the little bits are covered, because I have made them where you have little holes. And so then you just simply pop down the lid and close this one. It needs to be sealed up like that. And in 5 to 10 minutes you will have waffles. So I'm going to let this cook and I'll show you once they're done. Okay, waffles are ready. Let's have a look. Yeah, perfect. A little bit of overhang on the side there, but that's fine. I like to use an egg lifter to get them out carefully. Oh, they kind of stuck together. We'll just pull them apart like that, and oh, you can't even see them, can you? And we've got our waffles. How good do those look? Oh, yum. And my topping of choice, strawberries and cream. Gonna do that now. And before I see to my waffle, I've got to remember I've got the rest of the batter. So we've popped the rest into the waffle maker, and while those are cooking, I'm going to get on and top my waffle. So as I mentioned, I love strawberries and cream. Oh, look. that mishmash of strawberries and cream. What a yummy big keto breakfast. Thanks so much for watching this video for Keto Waffles. Please make sure that you leave a like, subscribe for more yummy inspirations, and leave a comment too. Let me know when you try this recipe out, what you think. I look forward to reading your comments. And down below I'll leave a link to the blog post where you can follow this along at home and make it yourself. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!